Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the My Magic Wand wand vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the My Magic Wand itself. It has a total length of 32 centimeters, a minimum diameter of 3.5 centimeters and a maximum diameter of 5.8 centimeters. This very powerful wand vibrator is equipped with a powerful motor that provides 6 different vibration modes. You can easily operate the varying positions with the push buttons on the round handle. With the bottom button you turn the vibrator on and off. With the plus and minus buttons you switch to a harder or softer setting. Now you need to plug the My Magic Wand in. Plug the plug into the socket and you can turn on the My Magic Wand and choose your favourite position. You can then decide whether you want to have a wonderful massage or explore your most sensitive spots with the soft round head. The round head is soft and feels wonderfully smooth on the skin for a comfortable feeling during use. So let's turn it on. Press once on the bottom button and the vibrations already begin. As mentioned, using the plus or the minus button to enjoy lots of different vibration settings. To turn off, push once on the bottom button and it's already off. The battery cannot be discharged, so the vibration strength will not decrease. It's easy and simple to use and it has an extra long cord as well to effortlessly reach those sensitive spots and doesn't disrupt your fun. The wand massager has a removable cover around the top, so we recommend to clean this both before and after use for a hygienic use. A top tip when using the My Magic Wand is that you can use a warming massage gel or a warming lubricant, for example from the Easy Glide collection. A warming gel ensures that the muscles become warmer and therefore relax more quickly. In addition, it ensures that the head glides effortlessly over the skin. Please note the My Magic Wand has a silicone top, therefore only use a water-based gel or lubricant. So when using this, we would recommend the Easy Glide water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use. And we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm warmer for the silicone head, and you can also use a dry lint-free cloth and toy cleaner on the handle itself. And that is the My Magic Wand wand vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.